Yes, welcome back to our channel mga kapins. So, this is my first time to interview one of our friends here in Halifax, Nova Scotia, Canada.
Hello guys, how are you? This is Pins. If nobody know Kuya Ruel,
so
this is Pins, man.
before interview, let's do the introduction. Okay, welcome back to our channel mga kapins. So please bear with me because my English is that good.
Oh, his English is very good, guys. So we want to say a hi for all Filipino guys, for
Yes.
all Filipino Kuya and what sisters in
Ate.
Kuya and Ate in all Philippines.
Yes, and your fellow country here in Lebanon.
Yes, I am
Yeah.
from Lebanon. My
Yeah.
name is Suhail. So, and this is my Kuya, my friend here, Ruel. I really glad to know this guy. He's a
Yes.
very good guy, and he is a very happy guy. As you will see, guys, he's always laughing. This is a good attitude of him.
Yeah, so
And he said that I look like someone in
Yeah.
Philippines. So I don't know, guys.
please guess mga kapins. Sino ang ka-lookalike ni brother? So I told to the viewers that who you are lookalike. So
Yeah.
let's name Mr. Famous vlogger in the Philippines.
No
Will Dasovich. That's
Now
the
you
name.
are the famous blogger in Canada here. This is the one, guys, the one and only.
Okay, let's start. All right.
Guys, again.
When did you arrive here in Halifax, Nova Scotia?
Yeah, almost. I arrived 1 year ago in
Okay.
May 2023.
Okay.
So yeah, one more month and I will continue full year here in Nova Scotia.
Oh, happy next, happy soon anniversary or your 1 year anniversary when
Yeah.
in this coming
It's coming in May
May. Oh.
30.
So
Yes, in the end of May.
please tell me your what's your pathway here in Canada? Is
Actually, Canada is a beautiful country, especially in Nova Scotia. It's a quite
yeah.
quite a good city. It's today is the weather is good. There's
Yeah. And today
sunny
is
day.
what's the date today?
Today is 28.
April 28, 2024. And
Yeah,
So-
April 28.
so your pathway, what's your visa right now?
Yeah, actually, one company here. It's a construction company.
Oh.
They sponsored me to come here, and
Okay.
I am on a work visa. Hopefully soon I need to start.
For your PR application.
Yes, my PR
Oh,
application.
good luck, and by the way, congratulations
Thank you.
for
Thank you,
achieving
Kuya.
your dreams to come here in Canada. So
Thank you.
congratulations.
Thank you, Kuya.
And how's the process? Did you apply personally? You have knew
Actually-
someone here in Canada?
The process, it was very easy because the company they took care of everything. They applied for me. They take care of my. Yeah, now guys, you want to see this car here?
Ganda.
Yeah, we have a Lamborghini in front
Yeah.
of us. It's a beautiful white Lambo. So welcome to Nova Scotia.
Yes, it's a beautiful province here.
Yeah,
in,
going back to my. Sorry, Kuya.
It's okay.
Going back to my history.
So the timeline, so you are on a work permit now, and your timeline,
Yeah, my work permit
it took
is
around how many months or years that your visa was approved?
actually, of course, I was planning this from 2, 3, 4 years ago to leave my country,
Okay.
and it worked out when this company, some relative of me, they live here 30 years
Okay.
ago, so they recommend this company for me. And I contacted them, and it worked out by applying for me work visa, and I have it for 3 years now, the work visa.
Yeah. So the validity of the work visa now is 3 years.
Yeah, I think
Yeah,
so. I
okay.
believe so. Sometimes
It changes.
yeah, it depends on the
The nature of job.
yeah,
Or
exactly, on the nature
like
of the job.
what IRCC gave to us, like that.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Sometimes they give 2 years.
So one of the very interesting question was how much it's you can give the exact or the average amount that can a foreign national like to have a work permit, how much are they gonna spend, like how many
Okay, you
Canadian
mean-
dollars?
Canadian dollars. Like as I said, my company took care of everything.
Oh, so as in
But I think like to get a lawyer and get your papers
Yeah.
done and things like that, I think it's around $3,000-4,000, maybe Canadian
dollars. So,
Yes.
so that was like 160,000 pesos. Yeah. And how about the plane ticket? So they shouldered, your company shouldered it? Or?
No,
Oh, so
I paid my own ticket
yeah, from Lebanon to
from Lebanon
Here.
to Halifax. Yes.
Okay. How much is the plane ticket?
The plane ticket was one-way ticket
Yeah.
because I came here. It was around maybe $1,000, 1,000
Oh.
USD dollar.
So like
Yeah,
like
USD.
USD like
American dollar.
56,000 pesos in the Philippines.
Yes.
But from the Philippines to
That's
Halifax,
more?
like it's double or triple that
Okay.
amount.
Yes.
Yeah. So that's the next question. Like, I think, are you happy working here?
I am happy seeing
Yeah.
you, Kuya.
Yeah. Of course, we are very happy.
Yeah, I am happy working here.
Yeah.
It's a nice area, quiet area,
Yeah.
and the people here are good.
So I have a very interesting question, and I think the viewers or subscriber or followers, they might ask this. If you have time or like opportunity to become a citizen,
Mhm.
would you rather be accept it or not
Of
to become
course.
a Canadian citizen?
Of course, this is Canada. This is Canada, man. Welcome to Canada. This is the most
One of the beautiful.
yeah, and one
country.
of the good passport that you can have
Yeah,
on the,
because,
in the world. you
One
know?
of the what we call this, the strongest passport.
Yeah.
I think we are in top 7 because or I don't know. I think we are from top 20 for the
Yes.
most powerful passport. Like you can visit other countries, like 134 countries
Yes.
without a visa using your Canadian passport.
Exactly. So it's of course it's a beautiful opportunity to get Canadian passport. And of course I'm gonna apply for it.
Thank you for your honest answer, Kuya.
Yeah.
And another interesting question was like this.
Yeah. Tell me.
Are you recommend the going here in Canada even if the cost the expenses are getting higher? Are you recommend this to the foreign nationals to come here or
Actually,
not?
as you said, it's getting like the cost of living. It's quite like higher. It's getting higher in all around the world.
Yeah.
But I believe here in Canada, there's like a lot of opportunities. So if you can like build your skills and build your own communication,
Yeah.
work on yourself, you can get here, I think, more opportunities than
Okay, so the
than-
number one
the-
reason most of us
yeah,
are,
there's opportunities here.
yeah.
If you work on yourself, you can open doors and it will work out for you.
Yes. Thank you for another honest answer, Kuya.
That's why I decided to leave my country.
Yeah.
And yes, I believe everyone that can success in any country. but I lost my country.
It's okay. Me too. We left our country, but I think it's a God's God's willingness to be here. So with my old family.
Yes.
And that's it.
We will continue.
We will continue, mga kapins. Yun, mga kapins. Salamat sa pagsama sa akin sa first time na pagbablog together with Kuya Suhel, yung foreign national na nagtatrabaho ngayon dito sa Canada, mga kapins. So si Kuya Suhel ay civil engineer by profession sa Lebanon, and ngayon ay general laborer or construction worker dito sa Halifax, Nova Scotia, Canada, mga kapins. So yan, kung talagang gusto mo talagang mag-Canada and willing ka na minsan iba yung position mo sa pinanggalingan mong bansa, ay okay lang, mga kapins. So yun, thank you Kuya Suhel for the time to share your immigration story. Yan, si Kuya Suhel. And sa mga bagong followers, no, subscriber ni Pins TV, salamat sa inyo. And sa mga bago lang na napunta dito sa channel ko, don't forget to watch, like, and shares yung mga videos and mga previous videos natin, especially kung makakatulong sa inyo. Yun, don't forget the hashtag PinsTV, PinsTV Canada, Pinoy in Nova Scotia, hashtag Philippines, no? Yan yung mga hashtag natin para mabilis kayong makapasok sa mga link ng mga content ni Pins TV, mga kapins. Salamat and see you sa next one, mga kapins. Buhay sa Canada, malalaman nyo mga diskarte, ituturo niya dito. Maraming kaalaman, marami kayong matututunan.